Hey my loves, it's your girl Nana back with another video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this cut crease.
I've been practicing so much on this cut crease. Oh my god, I really thought it was like the toughest thing to do on the eye, but it was really easy. Now I got the hang of it.
So first, I will be going in with my Jacklyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I will be taking these two shades called Secure and Agent, and I will be blending out this shade on the outer crease of my eyelids. So next, I will be going in with this shade right here called Smooth Criminal, and I will apply this on the inner crease of my eyelids. So now I am just gonna go in with my P. Louise base in the shade 2, and I will cut my crease. To cut my crease, I will be going in with my Morphe M167 brush. This is a flat brush to cut the crease, and I will cut the crease with this brush. I'm just going to fade out the crease of the outer corner of my eyelids. So to do that, I will be going in with this shade right here called Smooth Criminal, and I'm just going to fade out the outer crease of my eyelids. So now I'm just going to go in with these two shades here called Secure and Agent again. And I'm just going to apply that lighter shade on the inner crease of the cut crease. So now I'm just going to take my ColourPop palette and my Physicians Formula palette, and I will be taking this nude shade right here and this nude shade right here called Catch Me, and I'm just going to pat that shade on the cut crease. So now I am just going to take these two shimmer shades called Prima Donna and Side to Side. These are the two shades I'm taking right here from my ColourPop palette, and I'm just going to apply that shimmer shade right there. So to line my eyes, I am going in with my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes with this liquid eyeliner. To clean off the wing, I will be going in with my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan Deep Honey, and I'm just going to clean off the wing.
So guys, I'm just going to apply some lashes, do my foundation and the rest of my makeup. It's pretty late, so I would come back to you guys with the finished result.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. This is how my makeup came out. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned how to do a cut crease. I try to make this video as fast as I can because I have to go to bed right now. But yeah guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media sites at itsmenana_98. And yeah guys, that's about it. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye my loves.